So we do semiconductors differently. Thanks to our innovative process and materials used, our manufacturing turnaround is much faster, with wafers delivered in just a few weeks. And our setup costs as well as manufacturing costs are much lower. And we have a much lower carbon footprint, which really enables sustainable manufacturing at scale and speed.
Traditionally, with semiconductor manufacturing, it takes a lot of energy, a lot of cost, a lot of water usage, a lot of harmful chemicals to create chips and products.
And the industry is demanding faster innovation cycles, more resilient supply chains, and sustainable solutions. So here at Pragmatic, we are fundamentally redefining the way we are doing semiconductor manufacturing.
We have groundbreaking technology here, very efficient, very environmentally sustainable technology, and that really sets us apart from other manufacturers. So traditional fabs use silicon wafers, and silicon is a fantastic material, but it's expensive and it's consumed in a manufacturing process and takes a lot of energy to produce. We use a carrier which is reused in our process, and on that we build flexible semiconductors, very, very thin flexible semiconductors, and that is unique to us.
Our rapid manufacturing capability, lower cost and low carbon footprint allow products to scale up to billions of chips per year.
That innovation in manufacturing has a fraction of the carbon footprint, a fraction of the water, and this all matters. And as we serve the Internet of Everything and billions of devices a year, we're able to do that and be better stewards of the resources than the traditional semiconductor processes.